Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a poem titled The Ball Poem. This is the poem which I have to teach you today, and this poem has been written by American poet John Berryman. Through this very poem, the poet has some message to us that loss is the part of our life. Means if we have born on this earth, it is sure that sooner or later we will have to lose something. But after losing something, we have not to repent excess. We have not to feel ourselves excess sorrow. Because if we will be feeling like this, then it will create great problems. And also through this very chapter, author has suggested us that we have to understand our responsibility. Because in this world nothing is permanent, everything will be lost, everything will be departed from this very earth sooner or later. Either that is living things, non-living things, and whatever thing is this, everything is not permanent, everything is for a limited time. Here author is telling that in this very poem there is a small boy. There is a boy, and this boy has a ball. This boy has a ball, and this boy is playing with this very ball. Boy was near a harbor, means the boy was near a water body, and on the bank of the water body boy was playing. So when boy was hitting the ball through his leg, after bouncing, after watching that the ball is bouncing, boy was feeling very happy. He was feeling very comfortable. He was getting enjoyment. But suddenly the ball bounced and it escaped, and it escaped into the water body. So when it escaped and it fell into the water body, boy became very unhappy. Boy started to feel very regret. He became very sad, and at that very time he stand on the bank of the water body or on the bank of the harbor, and he started to look continuously towards that very ball, because the memories and feelings of that very ball was directly attached to that very ball. Means the memory and feelings of the boy was directly attached to the ball, because when he was playing he was getting very enjoyment. If we can say that another ball would be given to the boy, then the amount of enjoyment which he was getting from the former ball, that variety of enjoyment the boy could not be getting from the second ball. As a result, if one time we attach with anything, then that very memories continue with us for a long time or forever. So here author is also telling that the boy was facing the toughest situation at that very time, and he did not know that whatever thing is attached to with him, that must be depart from him one day. Means through this very poem, poet is telling that in our family members or in our society, in our country, there are so many things, but when we will lose anything, we have not to feel very regret. And here poet is telling that when he saw the mental situation of the boy, he wanted to give him boy some money, so that the boy would be in situation to purchase a new ball. But poet prohibited himself not to provide him money, because poet realized that if he will provide the money, then maybe that boy will not have understanding about his responsibility. And if boy will not get the money and boy will not get the another ball, then after that he will understand that whatever thing he has, that very thing is not permanent. Means here poet is trying to tell us that one day we have to lose our loved ones, and also we have to lose our loved very things. As a result, we have to realize that really this very poem is suggesting us about the miseries and sorrows of our life. So sometimes we feel sorrow, sometimes we feel happiness. Means our life is full of sorrows and happiness both. But in our life there is presence of only one part of happiness and three part of sorrows. Means the amount of happiness is very less, but the amount of sorrow is too much. But in these very conditions, we have to make ourselves balanced, and we have to develop our understanding that really what is good and what is bad, what variety of situations will upset us, and which variety of situation will take us towards the success. So here through this very poem, the message is this, that nothing is permanent in this very world. Everything has to decay and decompose sooner or later. And also this poem has expressed the toughest lesson of life. Means in life, sooner or later the tough situation will come. Due to this, we have to understand our responsibility, keeping in mind that nothing is permanent. So this is from my side for today. That's all. Thank you.